Samsung's Ultra line has always aimed to bring the best in mobile technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra continues that goal. Designed for all kinds of gamers, including those who enjoy solitaire, the S25 Ultra offers a great gaming experience. Its large, beautiful screen and improved battery life make it perfect for long gaming sessions, so you can always enjoy your favorite solitaire game. In collaboration with David from XLeaks 7, we're excited to share images and a video of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra as an aluminum dummy model. Based on the leaked aluminum dummy unit, it seems Samsung is maintaining its minimalist design approach. The Galaxy S25 Ultra showcases an eye-catching rear with 5 circular cookouts for the camera array, resembling the S24 Ultra. The front of the S25 Ultra sports even slimmer bezels than the S24 Ultra, offering more screen space. It also features a punch-hole front camera and an earpiece speaker located at the top of the display. The leaked dummy unit of the Galaxy S25 Ultra measures 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly taller, narrower, and thinner than the S24 Ultra. In comparison, the S24 Ultra has dimensions of 162.3 x 79 x 8.6 millimeters. This means the S25 Ultra may have the sleeker design, while still keeping its signature large screen size. These subtle adjustments in size indicate that Samsung is prioritizing ergonomics without compromising display or camera performance. Although the leaked images don't provide specific camera specifications, the arrangement of 5 circular cookouts on the back suggests a multi-camera setup, likely featuring the latest sensor technology from Samsung. The Ultra line is renowned for its exceptional zoom capabilities, and the S25 Ultra is expected to uphold this reputation.